Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Friday the 12th of January. In this video we're going to be looking at the price of silver and its charts. The code on TradingView is XAGUSD. What we'll see is that silver is in a medium-term downtrend. It's also in a short-term downtrend, but we are close to those resistance levels. Will it break through? Let's look at those charts. So as usual, starting with the weekly chart, and here you can see that the silver price is in this medium term downtrend. We've got this relentless pattern of lower highs, but you can see that the recent highs, there's been very little differential between them. You'll see it clear on the daily, and that we are very close to those highs. On this chart you can also see that we're very close to all the moving averages. 200, 50 and 20 week averages are all very close together. When we get a move of the moving averages to be close, you can then get an explosive move of the spot. So let's just keep an eye on that. At the moment, they're not that supportive on this weekly. The 20 is going down, 50 going down, 200 is moving sideways. So just keep your eye on those. If we were to break to the upside, obviously those moving averages would start to turn upwards and would be a positive factor, but we do need to break for that to occur. On the momentum side, we do have some positive momentum. The RSI has just gone back above 50, which is good, 52.71. And the MACD short term is marginally above the longer term, and they are coming back up towards the zero. So just a sign that upside momentum is returning on this weekly chart. On the daily, and you can see that the near term resistance levels are a lot clearer. They're from the 17th of November and the 16th of October, but there is actually another resistance here from the 5th of Jan. I'll give you those exact levels later in the video. The moving averages, you can see that the 20 has just crossed the 50. That was a golden cross. Doesn't look like it was if you look at that, but actually the 50 was moving up marginally today when the 20 crossed it. So that is a golden cross. So that's supportive of the market. We're above the 200 day as well. Now that's still tracking down, so remains a negative influence, but as we're above it, it will start to turn, but obviously very slowly. If we went back below it and closed below it, it could give a push down on the silver price. Momentum, again we're seeing a return to positive momentum. RSI 63.08 and the MACD have come back down together, but the short term is above the longer term and they are above the zero level. So really, if we can break above these resistance levels, break this downtrend, it would start to look better. On the 4 hour, here you can see that we've had a short-term flag. That has been broken to the upside. We've gone back above the 50-day moving average, which is good. That will be supportive. The 20, which was going down, is now moving back up. So we could get a golden cross, but it'll be mid-term next week for that to occur. Maybe that would give the push to break these resistance levels. Let's wait and see. Momentum, as I said, is better as well on this 4 hour. RSI up to 59.42 and in a shallow uptrend. And likewise, the MACD, the short term has just gone above the longer term. The longer term marginally below zero, but will again move back above zero next week, which will be a good sign for upside momentum. Looking at the support and resistance levels, We've got resistance from the 5th of Jan, 17.288. So that's the first boundary of the downtrend, short-term downtrend. Then the 17th of November, 17.3845, with supports at the 20 of the 4 hour, and then at the 200 day, which is 16.92. So that's been TA for traders, looking at the silver price. And the key takeaways from the video, we do remain on silver in downtrends, both medium and short term. However, resistance is close. The next week's trading are critical days of trading, so watch it closely. We do have presently upside momentum, and in the short term, looking at that 4 hour, we've broken the flag to the upside. Will that give the impetus to break that resistance? Great, thanks for watching. Please remember these videos are for information only and are not an investment recommendation. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe. You then get an email update when I come out with new videos. I don't just cover the commodity markets, I also look at the FX markets, and I do equity indices and single stocks, and then once a week I come out with a sentiment money flow video as well, which looks at all asset classes and what's happening. If you hit the subscribe button, you get email updates on those. Thanks for watching. Please do read the disclaimer.